This single fertilizer can make your flowering plant to boost more its flower, and you can last it for longer period of time. Here you can see some of my example that my flowering plants are flowering more than their capacity. I will be showing how to make this fertilizer, and let us start with the first one. And the first one is banana peel powder. We will learn how to make it, and we will also learn how to apply this to our plant so that our plant get enough amounts of nutrients from the soil and from this fertilizer also. A good balance of NPK, but the presence of phosphorus and potassium in this fertilizer is very much, and this make your plant to feel good, stress-free environment and flower booster. To prepare banana peel powder, firstly we have to collect some banana peels and let them dry in full sunlight. Within 24 hours they are ready to crush into small pieces. Make sure you have enough amount of banana peels, and your banana peel once you are drying does not overlay each other. After 24 hours you have to check that your banana peel are ready or not. Just pick them and try to break them. You will hear the sound of cracking. It means they are ready and they can split easily. Now take your banana peel and put it in the mixer or grinder so that you can grind them easily and convert into the powder form so that we can apply it to our plants. Banana peel powder fertilizer is ready. Now you can use this in plant, and you can also store this up to 2 months, and make sure your banana peel fertilizer does not come in contact with moisture as it can harm them, and also it attract fungus. Now the second one, banana peel bioenzyme. We will learn how to make bioenzyme of banana peel. Bioenzyme is rich in beneficial bacteria and enzymes that break down organic matter. And this is an eco-friendly method used in agriculture and waste management system. Let us learn how to make it. You have to cut your banana peel in small pieces, and you have to take a plastic bottle. Now fill this banana small pieces in this bottle. Nearly 3 part of the banana peel we have to fill this in bottle. After filling banana peel, now one part we will take good or jaggery. This is just to increase the microbial activity, or we can say the microorganism population. So this is the list of measurement, that is 3 part banana peel, 1 part jaggery and 10 part water. Now fill the whole process and cover your bottle with the cap. Make sure while filling the water that nearly 1/4 part of your bottle is remain unfilled. Place this bottle in any dark condition. Nearly after 60 to 90 days you will find the muddy type of water, and this means that our liquid bioenzyme is ready. One important thing, that after 2 days we have to remove the gas just by opening the bottle of our bioenzyme. Releasing gas will make sure that your bottle does not get blast. Yes, during this process many gases are produced, and just by opening our cap, this will release most of the gases, and you can again cover it with the cap. Let me show you how you can use this. Once the bioenzyme is ready, take nearly 10 to 20 ml of this bioenzyme, and we have to mix this in nearly 5 liter of water. Yes, bioenzyme is highly concentrated. We have to dilute this in water. You can use nearly 3 to 5 liter of water for nearly 20 ml. Now mix this in nearly 5 liter of water and shake it well so that every part of water get this fertilizer. Now in which plant we can use this? We can use this in all fruit and vegetables and flowering plants and any plant which have ability to grow. I will be using on this tomato plant. Here you can see my small tomatoes, and they need a little bit of protection also. So bioenzyme acts as a fertilizer, also as a pesticides. This will remove the insects, and also it will allow your plant to grow more. Here you can see my bougainvillea plant is showing lots of flower. We can also apply this to our bougainvillea plant. This will make your bougainvillea plant to flower more, and the flower will last for longer period of time, as microbial activities will take place in this soil and the further decomposition of the fertilizer will happen. Here you can see my mogra plant is flowering much more higher than its capacity. Actually it is on full bloom, and this is just because of simple bioenzyme fertilizer given at the right time. Let us learn how we can give bioenzyme to our mogra plant. Here you have to take nearly 10 to 20 ml of this bioenzyme, and we will add this 10 to 20 ml bioenzyme in nearly 2 liter of water. This will allow your plant to give maximum number of flower, as this will increase the microbial activity, and further it will increase the plant production. Just with the sharp tool you have to make few holes in your pot. This will make sure that bioenzyme liquid get into the soil and reach toward the roots. But if you don't want, you can skip this step and just directly apply your liquid fertilizer to this plant, and you will see the result within few days. And you can see the result on this mogra plant. It started just flowering or giving us small flower buds, and after 1 day you will see the maximum number of flower will get bloom. Day 2 and my mogra plant is still shining with lots of flower and the pleasant smell in the nearby surroundings. You have to plug all the flowers, as this flower will fall down So try to collect them and you can use in different activities. Now the third and the most important, banana liquid fertilizer. This will make your plant to bloom fast, as this will give micronutrients to your plants. This fertilizer making is easiest and fastest of all of them. Just cut your banana peel in small pieces and add water in a jar, and then keep this all banana peel in this jar for nearly 24 hours. Now you will see after 24 hours a muddy type of water, goldenish color. Now this fertilizer is ready. Mix it well and now you can give it to your plants. You can give this fertilizer to all plants, especially to the plant which require a flower booster tonic. This is the best fertilizer which will make sure that your mogra plant will get best result. 100% perfect fertilizer for your mogra plant and also for all type of flower booster plants. Have a look on this my mogra plant which have so many flowers and flower birds. Here you can see the beauty of nature, and with simple flower booster fertilizer we can make our plant to flower maximum. Let me share some more additional benefits of giving banana peel. We can give banana peel in this method also, just by digging up nearly 2 to 3 inches deep soil, removing extra soil and just adding banana peel into the soil mix. This will allow your banana peel to decompose with the pass of time and allow all the nutrients to decompose it in the soil, and your plant can absorb with the pass of time. But this is time taking process and this may allow fungus. So fungus growing in your soil can harm your plant roots. So try to give fungicide at the time of applying this fertilizer. Just a 1 tablespoon of fungicide is enough for your plant. After giving fungicide, you can give water so that fungicide get dissolved in the soil and the plant does not get affected with the fungus attack. We have simple and the laziest method of giving banana peel, that is mulching of banana peel. We can select any plant and we can mulch with banana peel. Here you can see I have one chili plant. But let me show you how to mulch your banana peel. First of all, you have to dry all the banana peel, then you can do the mulching, as banana peel in wet part will attract fungus and this will harm your plant. So firstly dry up your banana peel and you can spread them in all the pot. You can add the soil at the top or you can just left as it is. It will decompose with the pass of time as microbial activities will take place, and the small microorganism will also eat this with the pass of time, and your plant will get enough amount of nutrients.